In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to install SQL Server 2019, which is a relational SQL database designed by Microsoft. To do this, go to Google, then type download SQL Server 2019, then click on the first web page that comes. Then scroll down to developer. Then click download now. Then click on the download file. A pop-up window will be shown. They can click on download media, then click on download, it will download setup file, which is extracted on my desktop, and click on setup, then click on installation, then click on new SQL Server standalone installation. Then update will take place. After update checking, then click next. It will take some time. Then click on next. If you have license, then provide license key. Else, click developer, then click next. Then click next. In here, click select all. Uncheck new SQL Server standalone installation. If you require, then you can check this, and also uncheck Polybase security service for external data, which is in my case this is not needed. If you need it, you can check. Then click on next. It will take some time. Change all service type to automatic for the services, so that we don't need to restart manually when the computer reboots. If the service type is manual, then we will need to restart all the services when every time the computer reboot, which is a tiresome work. After changing all service type to automatic, then click next. Then came two type of mode, that is Windows authentication mode and mixed mode. For this, select the mixed mode, then type the password and also type the confirm password. Mixed mode is more secure than the Windows mode. Then scroll down, then click add current user, then click add current user, then click next, then click next, then click add current user, then click next, then click next, then click installation. Installation will take a lot of times. In this in my tutorial, I will skip all those. So installation is completed, then click close. We need another installation, that is SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. To do this, click on download SQL Server Management Studio, then click on the first website, then scroll down, then click on download SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. Go to download, then click on downloaded file, that is SSMS setup. Then click on that. A dialog box will come. Then click on install. Installation process will take some time. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is the interface to interact between user and the database. We can design the database by using SQL Server Management Studio, that is SSMS. Installation process is completed, then click on close. Now let's see the interface of SQL Server Management Studio. To do this, click on SQL Server Management Studio. This is the dialog box of SQL Server Management Studio interface. By using this, we can design the database. In this dialog box, in authentication, there are two types, that is Windows mode and SQL Server authentication mode. Select SQL Server authentication mode. Provide password that is given during the installation. Then click on connect. This is the interface of